This is R&R Bark Adventure Rides. I am off doing a bit of exploring around the Marysville area. I'm going to check out a track called, I think it's called Yellow Dog Road. Oh dude, get your stinky four-wheel drive off the road. Oh man, that stinks. Return later if the car park's full. So maintain social distancing. Return later if the car park's full.
Take the next left onto Yellow Dog Road.
So that would be a walk up to Stevenson Falls. Which way am I going?
Continue on Yellow Dog Road for 1.5 kilometres.
This way, yes.
Continue for 2 kilometres.
So I'm going to have a bit more of a chat about the lockdown today. Yeah, personally I found it very hard. I feel bad complaining about it because, I still had a job to go to, still had a loving family at home to go to. I've got no problem spending time at home with my wife and my son. My daughter had moved out just before all this shit started.
Gully track for 1.5 kilometres.
Excuse me, I'm talking. Yeah, my daughter had moved out just before COVID struck, and so we didn't see her for a long time. But yeah, it was just very hard. They would say they're going to make announcements about restrictions in a week's time, so you have this week full of anxiety waiting to see what it's going to be. And because it was just Melbourne, the Melbourne metro area, the rest of the country, the rest of the world are out and about doing stuff. Very hard to watch. Yeah, sorry to any of the YouTubers I stopped watching.
Destination is on the right.
I couldn't watch any YouTube videos from Australia, so sorry Captain Cranky, I've got a lot of videos of yours to catch up on. So a long time ago I had quite severe depression. I got it under control, but it's been just bubbling under the surface for a long time, and it's just, the lockdown was so friggin' hard. I actually saw somebody at the start of last year about it and made a few changes, but one of them was to make plans and have things to look forward to, and COVID certainly fucked that up. Part of what made it so hard was just not knowing when we were going to get out. If they said they were going to get out by a certain date, you could go, yeah, cool, I'll make some plans for after that, but you just couldn't do it. I cancelled annual leave twice, I think. Righto, here's a little bit of mud for you, Moto Ramblings. Where do I go? The middle one? Yep, that was pretty good.
Take the next right onto Tommy's Bend Road.
Oh yeah, Tommy's Bend Road's the one that turns into Paradise Plains Road. That way is Lake Mountain, and that way is Paradise Plains. Awesome. Right, thanks a lot, Silent Jellybean. That was a cool track.
Head northeast on
If you like what you saw, hit like and hit the subscribe button. Thanks a lot for watching.